Hi there. So today I'm going to show you my recipe for red cabbage, healthy red cabbage. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with half a cabbage. I'm just going to use half a cabbage today. And we're going to, first of all, we're going to remove the core of the cabbage because that's kind of hard and tough, inedible. And there's some good stuff left on here, so we'll take that off. Just cut that off. Try not to waste too much here. And so we'll give the cabbage a chop. Turn it on its flat side, and then we'll just cut it into pieces. As big or as little as you like, just a rough chop. No special sizes here. Once that's all chopped, we're going to chop the onion too. Just chop that up too in the same way. That's all done. Get that all chopped up. And once we've done all that, we're ready to fry the onion or saute the onion a little bit in some olive oil. So we'll have some olive oil in a pan. We'll get that onion sauteing, and once it's all nice and soft, we'll add a little bit of salt. And you don't have to add this, but I like to add a little bit of curry powder. Gives it a kind of a really nice flavor, different flavor. You don't have to add this if you don't want. You can just leave that out. So once the onions are nice and sauteed, you cook out the spice a little bit if you're adding the curry powder. And then we can just add the red cabbage on top of that. Get that all added in. And add a little bit of salt here. And this is all to taste as well. There's no measurements. And a little bit of water so it doesn't burn. And then we cover this once we're done. Give it a little stir. And we cover this, and we'll cook this on medium-high. Get it to the boil and cook it for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You just check and make sure. And you add a little bit of pepper too. So salt and pepper. So you cook this and make sure it's covered. Make sure you add a little bit of water. Check it by stirring throughout. And once it's tender, fork tender, it's done. Enjoy.